So owning a vagina comes with a lot of responsibility, and there are some certain things you are not supposed to put inside your vagina. If you want to know more about these things, please watch this video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health, and everything in between. And if this is your first time of setting your eyes on this beautiful face, please do not make it the last by clicking the subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. So the first thing you are not supposed to put inside your vagina is fruits and vegetables. So fruits and vegetables like carrots or cucumbers are not meant to be inside the vagina. You might lodge this produce inside your vagina and end up in the ER tomorrow. Also, the pesticides used in preventing bugs and bacteria from attacking this produce might irritate your vagina, leading to bacterial vaginosis. Number 2, whipped cream and sugar-based products like ice cream or chocolates. These are not supposed to be in your vagina. We all know that the vagina do not like sugar, and if you introduce sugar into that place, it will make the bad bacteria thrive, and once the bad bacteria thrives in there, it will lead to odors and yeast infections, which we don't want. So please do not introduce whipped cream or sugary products into your VJJ. So number 3 is perfumes. I know you want to smell fresh, you want to smell like roses, petals, and all of that. We all know that every single individual has their own characteristic smell, and no, you cannot smell like sugar, you cannot smell like another person. If you have a odor away from the normal, please see your doctor. Anything aside that, do not introduce perfumes in there. It will alter your pH, and once your pH is being altered, it will predispose you to more odors and also yeast infection. Number 4 is unclean fingers. As humans, we touch a lot of stuff with our hands, transferring unknown bacteria into our hands and our fingers. So before you go down there, before you go down with your partner, make sure you and your partner wash your hand thoroughly to avoid transferring most of these bacteria from your fingers, from your nail beds to your vagina. Number 5 is petroleum jelly, example Vaseline. So Vaseline is not supposed to be inside your vagina. I know some people would want to use it as lubricant, but please go get a better lubricant. You can get KY jelly and all of that. Do not do that. It might cause irritation to your vaginal walls, which you do not want. So please avoid the use of petroleum jelly, Vaseline inside your vagina. Number 6 is douching or douching. I don't know how you pronounce it. So I know you want to feel fresh, you want that place to be clean, but please, I say this time and time again, your vagina is self-cleansing. You do not need to clean it. Introducing douching to your feminine hygiene routine will only interrupt the good bacteria in there, and once the good bacteria die off, the bad bacteria will be the ones introducing odors and yeast infections to your vagina. So eradicate that thought of douching. Number 7 is coconut oil. Yes, I know coconut oil is not supposed to be inside your vagina. No, it might cause irritation, so please do not do that. Do not use it as lubricant. It is not supposed to be inside your vagina. Number 8 is soap. So scented soaps or scented feminine washes are not supposed to be inside your VJ. Like I said, your VJ is self-cleansing. You do not need to wash it. The only part of your downstairs area you are supposed to wash is your vulva, and you do that with just water only. You do not need to put scented soaps. Putting all of those will alter your pH, and once your pH is being thrown off balance, you'll be attracted with odors and yeast infections, which you do not want. So abstain from that routine of using scented soaps to wash your vagina. So number 9 is unclean toys or used sex toys. you do not need to share your sex toys with your friends, family, whatever. Immediately you use your toys, ensure to wash it. So the last but not the least is alum. I know you want to feel tight down there. Please ensure you do not introduce alum inside your vagina, because you might end up in the ER, or you can be irritated. It could lead to bleeding after sex as well. If you want to know how to tighten your vagina naturally, please leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to make a video about that. Also, I have made a video previously about bleeding after sex. You can click on the link up here. I don't know, just click on either of them and watch the video till the end. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, do well to share with your friends and your family. Give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.